So, what is Next.js and why would you use it? Well, the answer is Next.js is a React framework. So, it builds up on React.js. And you therefore, of course, might wonder, why do we need it? After all, React.js is already a library itself. Why do we need another framework that builds up on React.js? Well, because Next.js is a full stack React framework. So it simplifies the process of building full stack apps with React. And that's a huge thing because recently, over the last couple of months and years, there's been a trend to go back to building full stack applications instead of just client-side single-page applications. And indeed, the React library itself added more and more features that make it a bit easier to run React on the server and render components on the server specifically. But that's typically not all you need if you want to build a full stack application. Instead, if you want to build a complete, feature-rich full stack application, you also need help with handling form submissions, fetching data, authenticating users, and a lot of other things. And that's exactly what Next.js gives you. So it builds up on React and then vastly simplifies the process of building full stack applications with React. Therefore, in order to use Next.js and in order to build applications with Next.js, you need a solid React foundation. You need to know React because you'll still be building components and so on. But then Next.js allows you to take your React skills to the next level, so to say, and it allows you to build full stack applications with React. And that's exactly what we'll do over the next couple of hours.